Hello folks, good evening and welcome to our Overdose. It's Dev coming to you. First off, let me show you guys the window grill. Now, this is the Defender window grill. Now, it does come with a lot of screws. You guys can see the spaces here. Those are meant for screws. Now, if you were to put little holes in it, you could do that. It's a little time consuming. Now, I have industrial strength glue with me, which is pretty strong. So what I did is I put 4 drops on each side, and I put this thing here, and it's not coming off. You know, it's pretty solid. So I want it that way, so I put mine this way, and it still looks amazing. I do have them in the back as well here. It's a good protection from stuff, and I also have them on the side here. And they're all just glued the same way, guys. I mean, if you do want to put them screws in, you could. It does take time. It's time consuming. It's a little tricky as well. The only reason why I didn't do that is because I have a little crack on the side here. And if I were to put screws in the back here, it would kind of like extend the crack more, and I just didn't want that to happen. And I want to preserve this body, and I want this body to be one of those bodies that are just for trailing, you know. That's one of the reasons why we have the Jeep Rubicon body here, so I could go out and bring it to places like Stony Mountain or any rock crawling spots where it's going to tumble down and the body's going to have some damage on it. So this is a pretty good detailed add-on. It gives your RC a pretty realistic scale look. Now, this thing is manufactured from RoadTech, which is also a company just from GPM Racing Products. We're going to go check this thing out on the GPM Racing Products website. So let's do that. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys like the grill. If you guys want your own, in the description, check it out. And let's check the website now. Thanks a lot for tuning in our Overdose, guys, and have yourself a great night. Peace. So this is gpmracing.com.hk. Now you could visit this website, and you would see the Traxxas column here. Once you click that, you will get information, and you will get lots of different models here. So you click on the desired model. Right now we're looking for the TRX4 Defender parts. Here it is. You click on the Defender parts, and you will see a whole list of all the parts that GPM Racing Products has for it. There it is. So this particular information is on the 5th page. Right here, it's on the 5th page. And it's on the very top, on the left side here, the very first one. TRX4 ZSP12. Scale accessories, aluminum window guard for TRX4. I'm sorry guys, it's not a grill, it's a guard. Beg your pardon. We are going to put this in today for you guys right after this, so stay tuned for that. And as always, have a great night, guys.